There you go. Okay, so setting up the 80 series, the vehicle's in low range and the diff lock is in, which means that we have pressed this button over here, so that's the centre diff lock engaged, and the selector's in low range, as you can see. Now, something else we can do is use this button here, which is the second gear start. So we just press that in, and then you can see that on the dash, okay, off and again, there's a second gear start. So what that does, that forces the transmission to start in second gear as opposed to first gear, and then there's just a little bit less wheel spin. So that's your second gear start there. And the power button there just changes the throttle map a little bit, just to give you a little bit more power more quickly. It doesn't actually change the total output of the power. And this selector transfer case lever here, that will go high range, low range, but again, you have to remember to lock your center diff here, and then that will give you that diff lock right there, and that's a center differential lock as opposed to a cross axle differential lock.